Hey guys, just ignore the background. We're getting completely snowed in right now. It's May 20th. This is the latest we've ever gotten snow that I can remember here in Aurora. Look at these big old flakes. Wow. Yeah, I'll be there in a minute.
Who wants milk?
Today is May 20th. And it's supposed to snow tomorrow too. I'll make another video tomorrow. Woo! Feels like Christmas all over again. Look at that. Oh wow, these snowflakes are huge. Ooh, it feels so good.
Don't let the cats out.
I will not. There's no cats around.
Go chase cats.
I know. It's too snowy out anyway to do that.
Give me some milk.
Hey, Corey, do you want to sit over here and Alan can sit next to you?
Wow.
I'm going to have to thicken up for milk.
This is some crazy weather.
What, thicken the milk? Yeah.
Can't believe it. May 20th and look at the snow. It's been snowing for a few hours, but it was originally raining this morning. It was raining and then just turned to snow. Really bad snow. And guys, we got, by the way, a family member's at my house and my parents are having a birthday celebration right now, so that's what the background's about. Just ignore the background best you can because they're busy. Wow, look at this. Really coming down. Anyways, see you later. See you guys later.